Everybody. Today we will discuss the problems of the chemical kinetics. First problem, 22nd problem. The activation energy of a reaction is 94.14 kilojoule per mole, and the value of the rate constant at 330 Kelvin is 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 5 second inverse. Calculate the frequency factor A. So from the question it is clear that the activation energy EA, it is given EA is equal to 94.14. So please listen the unit of the activation energy. It is represented in the question, it is given kilojoule. So we have to convert in joule. So multiply into 1000. So we will get the activation energy in joules. So if you are doing any problem, you should convert the units to the SI unit. Okay. Then first of all, you have to write down the data which is given in the question. So EA is given. Next, the value of the rate constant K is given. K is equal to 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 5. We should keep in mind the K is the unit of K is second inverse. That is, it is a first order reaction. Then our question is calculate the frequency factor A. So we have studied the many equation. Then if you are specifying the activation energy, we should remember that is a question about the Arrhenius equation. So write down the Arrhenius equation. Log A is equal to log K plus EA by 2.303 RT. Then substitute the value of A, then value of K and value of R and T. T is also given 303 Kelvin. And R we know 8.314. So substitute that value, direct substitution, and calculate the value. We will get 9.194 into 10 to the power 10 second inverse. The unit of A is second inverse. Okay. Now we are moving into the next problem. The rate constant K for a first order gas phase decomposition of ethyl iodide, the equation is given, is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 5 second inverse at 600 Kelvin and 6.36 into 10 to the power minus 3 second inverse at 700 Kelvin. Calculate the energy of the activation of the reaction. Please remember that the Arrhenius equation is very important for either it may be they will ask either in terms of problem or in derivation. Okay. Now they are given the rate constant K for first order gas phase decomposition, and K is given, K1 is given 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 5 second inverse at 600 degree K. That is T is also given. Then K2 is given and the other temperature, that is T2 is given. So what will be the and our question is calculate the energy of activation, that is EA. We have to calculate EA. Now we have already studied the second equation, that is log K2 by K1 is equal to EA by 2.303 into T2 minus T1 divided by T2 T1, where K1 is given, K2 is given, T1 is given, T2 is given. The direct substitution, very easy question, and EA is given 2.09 into 10 to the power 5 joule mole inverse. This type of the question is very important for the university examination. Next question, a first order reaction is 20% complete in 15 minutes at 40 degrees Celsius and in 3 minutes at 60 degrees Celsius. Calculate the energy of the activation for the reaction. Listen here, in the question it is given that it is a first order reaction and 20% of the reaction is completed. So our equation for the first order reaction is K is equal to 2.303 divided by T into log A by A minus X. Here A is 100, X is 20. So A minus X is 80. Please listen. In the question it is given 20% complete. That means the remaining concentration there is only 80%. Reactant is present in the reaction. And 20% complete within 15 minutes. So T is given 15 and temperature is given, that is in degree Celsius, and in 3 minutes it at 60 degree Celsius, and calculate the energy of activation. We have to calculate EA. Then first of all, we know the rate constant for the first order reaction. K is equal to 2.303 divided by T into A by A minus X. We have to calculate EA. There is only one equation which is studied in chemical kinetics relating the K and EA is the Arrhenius equation. So how we have to find out the values of K1 and K1 and K2, or then you substitute in the Arrhenius equation. So for finding out the K1 and K2, first of all we have to write the rate constant for the first order reaction. So K is equal to 2.303 divided by T into log A by A minus X. And time is given, T1 and T2 is given. First for T1, only the 20% is complete. So we have to substitute A is equal to 100 and A minus X is equal to only 80. We have to substitute in 80. Then we can find out the K1. And similarly for K2, the T2 is given 2.303 divided by, instead of T2 we have to substitute 3 minutes, and log 100 divided by 80. Okay. Then we have to find out K2 by K1. So we have to substitute this equation. We will get 15 by 3 and we will K2 by K1 is equal to 5. We will get the 5 as the answer. Then you substitute in the Arrhenius equation. Log K2 by K1 is equal to EA by 2.303 into R into T2 minus T1 divided by T2 T1. So the value is equal to log 5, that is equal to EA divided by 2.303 into 8.314 into T is question is given in degree Celsius. We have to substitute in Kelvin. So 333 minus 313 divided by 333 into 313. Direct substitution, we will get the EA is in Joule. Joule mole inverse. 6.9749 into 10 to the power 4 Joule mole inverse.